Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include rear-view camera, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. We are pleased to show you 2015 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, all-wheel drive, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.